and it is a phenomenon which is predictable. It is not a phenomenon that is taking us by surprise. Although whenever it comes, its impact looks like it is surprising to all of us. The people from the region of northern Kenya are either in the middle of a drought, or are preparing to get into one, or are working very hard to get out of one. That's the cyclic nature of the droughts that we are dealing with in that part of the world. And we talked about the livelihoods. Here, we are protecting livelihoods, and at the same time we want to save lives. Because as it has been said, if the livelihood is gone, then the next in queue is the lives of the people. Because these lives depend on those livestock as part of their livelihoods. And we are talking of a region which is almost 76-80% of this country. A region which holds a fifth of Kenya's population. A sector, the livestock sector, which produces 13% of our GDP in this country. So the impact is not just going to be worse for the people from the region. Of course, those in the front line will suffer the most. But the impact is going to be nationwide. Even those from the central region, Mount Kenya or Rift Valley, highlands where it is raining now and the rains are causing havoc. The impact of the drought affecting a fifth of Kenya's population in northern Kenya will definitely be felt by all Kenyans in terms of economy, in terms of contribution to the GDP, and in terms of to the lives and the export and income that this country has produced. And I agree with Honorable Sane, we don't need to be here every year to lament about the drought situation. We want a permanent solution to be put in place. In that part right now, where we have some pasture, the biggest problem is water. So if we have water, and the President gave a State of the Nation address the other day, and we talked about mega dams which are going to promote irrigation in that region. I think going forward, that's the direction we need to take as a country. Because those mega dams need to start like yesterday so that we don't suffer on the next cycle of this drought. Thank you.